Yay. You wonder what I just did? I took the old hard cover off here to reveal the nice cables in this one. This one has really nice soft cables. This one, I don't know, it feels like they used barbed wire in here. So, plus the thing I wanted on here is totally jacked. So I'm going to skip that one. Sacrifice that to the lambs, and we'll see how I can do this and put the cover back on it. So stay tuned and stick around. I'll just keep working on this. Hello folks, what am I doing? I'm taking the plastic receptacle off, and if you want to get this off, there's a little tab here. You jam a pick in there and you pull it out. Why? Because there's a couple of wiring problems, like, I don't know if you could see this right here, but the green one has a little bit of a problem there. Also, the harness on here does a bit of a snap, crackle, and pop. It really doesn't like Rice Krispies either, so I think I need to get scissors or something to cut this off with. I don't even think I need scissors. You just gotta go like this. It's like, ta-da, ta-da. It's actually crunchy, crunchy. And believe it or not, I took the wrong one apart, but you know what? I'll rewire this one anyway, just for the hell of it. I was supposed to take the other one apart, but since I'm doing this, I'll do this one. This one's terrible. I don't think it's the right one. Yeah. Put this screw right here. This is probably in good shape. Probably just dirty. I think it's just, honestly, I think there's more dirt in this than there is anything else. But I'm going to figure out which cover goes on top, and we'll give it a good cleaning. But if you want to go online and get a sleeve for this, what we'll do is we will take where did I put the little snippers? I just had a pair of little wire cutters. Where'd it go? Where did it go? There it is. It's underneath the pile of junk here. I could use this one. I cut this off here, and what the hell did I just drop here? Oh, we're dropping shit. We don't want to drop that one. That's a good one. That's the old one. Alright. What we need to do is take this off of here without torturing it, because the wire cover is completely gunked. Let's see, maybe I can get this out of here. Put this over here. I wonder if it's the same length. Let's check the length here. Let's lift it up a little. You can see all the junk. Is this the same length? I'll use this one. Let's stick that indeed. Let's see. Same length of the wire. Yeah, no. Nope, it's not the same length. That's just junk. Okay, this one there's a splice on here. What's going on here? There's two wires going in there. That's weird. Shrink tubing on that one. Ouch. It's so old, it's hard as a rock. This one's gonna need shrink tubing or new wire. Black wire. I think I need scissors. I think I need some scissors. I don't have scissors, believe it or not. My kids probably stole them all. So what I'm gonna do is stick this in there and peel it off. Holy crap. This is literally like, it's 40 years old, so what the hell do you expect, right? almost slicing my hands open. Is this for an 86? Yeah, it's an 86 one. I'm going to get the right size on here first. I'll put the thing back on, and then I'll play with the fixing the wires later. I just want to see, because there's two of them here that need to be totally fixated. I should buy some genuine Honda wire. Except I'd have to get these little crimp things. I don't know. Apparently there's a kit online for that. I want to see if there really is one. Come on, there we go. That comes off. Almost all off here. Feel like I'm peeling a pomegranate. Not really. Pomegranates. My hands would be all wet. Red. God damn. Scissors would be nice. I don't have a small set. It's always like one part that's still flexible and the rest is like crunchy. You can feel all the crud in there. You can also see where somebody put tape around here. Because nobody in their right mind would actually take the bike apart and fix the damn problem. That would make sense. First, I took the whole bike apart. So now, I have this. I need to see what size tubing it takes. And I'm guessing this might work, right? Maybe. This isn't shrink tubing. Oh man, it's caught on that. Does this fit in there? Maybe. I don't think so. Question is what? See, this bullet end that be cut off. Maybe something a little bigger. This might work. Is it that big to begin with? I don't think so. Well, yeah, it's about right. 105 degrees. It's PVC tubing. Let's check. We got this. I'm just trying to see if it goes on here. I'm not trying to fix this yet. Not trying to fix any wires or do anything spectacular. I'm just trying to jam this in here and see if it'll all fit in there. Let's just get the right length. Okay, that would work. That will work. I bought 10 feet of this. So if we go from here down to here, this, and this, maybe right about there. Maybe I'll just cut a little more over here. Cut it right about here for now. Come on. 10 feet of it. There we go. I'll see if this fits on here. First, I'm going to open it up here. Try to get it nice and tubular. Because I wish they would roll this like a, because it's all flat and stupid. I wish they wouldn't crush it all when they sent it to you. But, you know, can't always get what we want, right? So yeah, tube like this. I'm probably going to have to get some sort of grease for this. There we go. Let's try this out now. I think this wire's going to fall off. Let's try stuffing this in here just for the hell of it. I'm probably going to have to tie a string around it, put the string and pull it through. It's the only way it's going to happen. Some type of string. So we know that's will fit. I need some electrical grease to put in here. And that's about the right length. Now, this goes like this. Let's try putting this back together now. There you come on. The other one. Ah, come on. These things are so old, they don't cooperate. All right. This goes that way. And we take the yellow one like this. And we stuff that in there, I think. Goes this way. So that one goes in there. I'll go sideways. Goes like that. That one, then the brown one. The brown one goes in next door here. Then the black and brown one. Where is it? That's the black one. Black with a brown line goes next to it. Come on, get out of the way. Christ. I should put a zip tie around it. That's black with a white line. Black, what is this? Why is this? Okay, it's separate. The white one goes, this black one goes over here. This one goes in here. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Why is this thing not cooperating? Why is it not cooperating? Come on. Get in there. Come on. Get your booty cheeks in there. There we go. That one's done. The white one goes below it, like so. Nope, doesn't want to cooperate. Come on, white one. The white one goes down there like so. White one, then the blue one. Goes right in there. And then the green one. The green one goes in there. And the black one just kind of hangs up. So I need another bullet connector like that. Because this one is freaking old. Yeah, I probably should buy one. Anyway, now I know how to do this. I don't have to unsolder this. I'm going to have to probably put some string or something around it. And then grease this. And get it going. A little bit of grease. The wire's got to be fixed right there and should be good. With that said, basically this is the other one here. I'll clean this off and I'll show you. But I'm going to clean this one off and see how it looks. There's like rusted pin here and all kinds of stuff. Rusted screws. I don't know why I guess there's two wires going in both of them. Let me check the other one. Yeah, there's two brown wires. Okay. Oh, it's true, it's for the high-low. So that would make sense. So those, I'll take this off. I'll fix the wires. And I don't know why that one's cut. I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that. I could just make it, I don't know, a couple of millimeters shorter. So anyway, with that said, I'm just trying to fix the Honda switches because, I mean, this is the reality. Where's the piece? The reality is that The switch covers are just so old they need to be changed. Even the wiring harness, I'm going to have fun with that. I might just retape the whole wiring harness and cut off the old covering. If I can take some of the parts off and put new covers on, I will. But if not, I'm not tempting fate. With that said, thanks for watching. Toodles, and enjoy.